Two famous hotel names face off. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Hyatt, luxury upscale hospitality with premium amenities. And on the right, Best Western, budget-friendly, reliable comfort across the globe. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's our map of battle, and check this out. We've got price and value, customer trust and ratings, rewards program, global presence and scale, room quality and amenities, and finally, market positioning. That's all the stuff you care about when booking, right? Let's jump into each one. Okay, first up is price and value. So Hyatt, no surprise here, leans super premium. Their nightly rates, honestly, they can be eye-watering. Definitely reflects the luxury you're getting, but those resort and extra fees, whew, not gentle on your wallet. On the flip side, Best Western, wow, just super budget-friendly. Lowest fees among major chains, competitive rates. If you just want a place to crash and save your cash, it delivers. Not a lot of frills, and the rewards aren't as spicy, but you're saving. So, price-wise, Best Western easily takes this round. Next, let's talk customer trust and ratings. This gets interesting because Hyatt, listen to this, has one of the highest net trust quotient scores, like 110.6. And people rave. Reviews are crazy strong, and it's ranked third in consumer trust. Honestly, the main drawback is, yeah, it's expensive, so not everyone gets a taste. Best Western, meanwhile, is definitely trusted by the budget crowd and has a crazy long history, but its trust scores are way lower and customer feedback isn't quite as glowing. So for trust and rep, Hyatt wins big here. Now, for rewards program, this gets kind of fun. Hyatt's system gives you more bang for your buck. Higher point value, sweeter redemption rates, some dreamy benefits if you hit elite status, and the rewards calendar is actually useful. But yeah, you got to spend a lot to rack up those points. Best Western, though, is simple. Their loyalty program is way more accessible. You don't have to overthink anything, but you're not earning as many points or perks. Honestly, the fancy stuff goes to Hyatt. But if you just want something you can use quickly, Best Western is all right. Winner here, Hyatt. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Hyatt snagged a crazy high net trust quotient score of 110.6. And Best Western? Founded in 1946 and now runs over 4,000 hotels. Wild, right? Let's move on to global presence and scale. Hyatt's got a dozen different brands. Very upscale, hitting those major cities, but you know, their footprint isn't as massive as some others. Now, Best Western, this is wild. They've got over 4,000 hotels around the world, basically everywhere. Plus, they were the biggest motel chain in America way back in 1963. Tons of accessibility, largest member network. The only downside is quality can sometimes be hit or miss because they cover so much ground. But just in numbers, Best Western is the clear champ. All right, next stop, room quality and amenities. Hyatt comes out swinging here. We're talking big, premium rooms, all the upscale extras you want. Dining on site, fancy concierge, and Park Hyatt's almost legendary for the luxury experience. Only thing is, you need deep pockets. Best Western covers the basics. Comfy rooms, free breakfast, which honestly is a nice win, and they try to keep things consistent. But amenities are definitely more, well, minimal. Some places don't have much accessibility, and if you want luxury, look elsewhere. So this category, Hyatt totally dominates. Finally, market positioning. So Hyatt's your luxury leader, always pushing that premium experience. And it's part of this big family of hotel brands. But let's be honest, not everyone can afford that splurge. Best Western, though, is kind of the king for budget travelers. 80 years old, so much history. And they absolutely deliver for folks who want a good rep without breaking the bank. Lacks all the fancy luxury branding, but for what it is, it's unbeatable. Both hit their mark, so honestly, this one's a tie. Let's pull up the radar chart real quick. You can really see where each brand shines. Hyatt spikes in luxury, trust, and rewards, while Best Western just rules price and global coverage. So depending on what you care about, the winner honestly shifts. So here's my take. If you're all about luxury, premium service, and killer rewards, Hyatt is the one. But if you want a hotel that gets you in the door for cheap, pops up everywhere, and does the basics well, Best Western is basically perfect. For me, the winner's got to be Best Western if price and global access matter. Go Hyatt if you're chasing high-end vibes. If this comparison helped you dodge a hotel headache, go ahead and share it. Help a fellow traveler